Today, today we discuss about some topics which is function. Function plays important role in mathematics, and this one is the key for mathematics and key for analysis. That means a function is usually thought as a rule of assignment to each element of a set, an element of a set to another element. So in calculus and another in analysis, a function is more useful. So we start from a rule definition of a rule of assignment. Definition of a rule of assignment. Rule of assignment. Okay. So a rule of assignment is a subset R of Cartesian product. A rule of assignments is a subset R of Cartesian product C cross D. We discussed Cartesian product in previous class. So rule of assignment is just subset of this Cartesian product C cross D having property that R having property, which properties follows? Having property that each element of C appear as the first coordinate of at most one order pair belonging to R. Each element of C having the first coordinate of at most one order pair of elements or of order pair belonging to R. That means those order pair belonging to R which first coordinate coming from this C, and also R is the subset of Cartesian product C and D. Then this R is called a rule of assignment. Then this R obviously subset of C Cartesian product D. Then R is called a rule of assignment. Understand? Next we see R. Then which element contains CD? CD belongs to R. Then CD belongs to R, where C belongs to capital C. Okay, where C belongs to capital C. Again, a subset R is a rule of assignment. Again, we define rule of assignment in this way. In this way, a subset R of C Cartesian product D is a rule of assignment. Is a rule of assignment if CD belongs to R, and CD dash belongs to R. If this two, this implies that D equal to D dash. Okay, that means we simply know that means first element of this rule of assignment is same, then second, in order for the second element obviously equal. Now the domain of R is defined to be the subset of C consisting of all first coordinate of element of C, and also image set of R is defined as subset of D consisting of second coordinates of elements of R. Obviously domain of R be a subset of C, which consists first element or first coordinates of element of R. Okay, first coordinates of element of R, and range or image set of R be a subset of D which consists second coordinate of element of R. Okay, next we further proceed the definition of function. That means we understand the rule of assignment and also take some example also. We take some example of rule of assignment also. Which example? Simply we write C equal to 1 2 and D equal to 4 5. Then C Cartesian product D equal to obviously 1 4 1 5 2 4 2 5. Okay, then R we're taking just subset of this 1 4 2 4. Obviously this one is done. Then here R have here R have R be a rule of assignment, because if 1 belongs to C and 2 belongs to C and just 4 belongs to D, so the domain of R must be C or proper subset of C, or C, that means subset of C or full C itself, not proper subset. And if image set of R, obviously subset of D. Okay, just 4, that means just singleton 4 contain. Then this one obviously here no 2 1 is here and no another one, that means this one is not a because 2 1 is same, so 4 5 are different. then this one is not a rule of assignment. But here just this first portion, then first coordinate of this element of our pair of R are different. Okay, if same, then this must be 4, because rule of assignment definition is this one. So we done in this way, and RBA rule of assignment. RBA rule of assignment. Okay, that means we understand by a simple example. And also this domain, here we write also domain of R must be domain of R equal to C, and image set of R equal to just singleton 4. Okay, subset of D. Okay, construct it superly. So we obviously we done some example of rule of assignment. To understand the rule of assignment, we done this one. Now we further proceed the definition of function. This one is plays important role in mathematics and whole analysis also, and algebra also, in some proof lemmas, and also in further calculations, handle more hard dimension, confusion between hard to lower. This all are done by the simple functions. Functions plays important role. So we know now definition of function. Okay. Function. A function F is a rule of assignment R together with a set B that contains the image set of R. A function F is a rule of assignment. R is a rule of assignment R together with a set B that contains the image set of R. Okay, and the domain of the rule R is also the domain of the function, and domain of the rule of assignment R is the domain of the function. And also the set B, the image set of R is also image set of F, and the set B is called range of F. That means the image set of R is the image set of function F, and the set B is called range of F. That means a function F is a rule of assignment. That means this follows all conditions of rule of assignment together with a set B that contains the image set of R. That means B also contain image set of R. Okay, that means B is the superset of image set of R, and B is the range of F. Okay, now we define also in another way. A function f a to b, a is the element of a, then we denoted f a the unique element of b. That rule determined if assigned to A and is called the value of f at A and sometimes the image of A under f. If R is a rule of the function f, then fa denotes the unique element of B such that AFA belongs to R. Okay, that means here if A to B, if we considered if A to B, then if A, where A belongs to A, if A is the unique element of B, that rule determined that if assigned to A, okay, and it is called the value of A, value of f at A, and this one is the image of A under F. This image is unique. This image and this FA denotes